Why is employee skill and development important? Your company is only as good as the employee who work there. When your employees are excited about your business and motivated to do their best, you will be successful because they will show your customer how excited they are and do a better job. When your employees don't care about your companies or aren't engaged in it, you will have trouble because your team won't do as well as it should, and they will look for other jobs. Employee development is a key factor that can make employees more engaged and happy with their job. Hi, I'm Sean Fon from Dual HRM. I help businesses to create teamwork that deliver results and grow. So if you are new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, because I drop videos like this every week. And for member of Dualpreneur Circle, welcome back. By giving your employees the tools and plans they need to do their job well, you will get a number of benefits. Here's a closer look at employee skills and development and why it is so important to the success of your business as a whole. What is employee skill and development? Well, employee skill and development is a buzzword in the business world. But what does it mean? Employee skill and development is when an employee and their leaders work together and help the employee improve their skill and knowledge in their field. This could mean teaching the team how to use new technologies or strategies, giving the training to encourage employees to take on leadership roles within the organization, or giving skill-based training modules that help employees do their jobs better. Employee development helps employees stay up to date on changes in their field so they can do their best work every day. So, why is it so important to help employees grow? Why should companies spend money on their teams' training and growth? Employee development has a lot of benefit for employees, but in the end, it makes sure that your company has the best employees possible. When employees are properly trained and that training is kept up to date, they can better serve your customer and give them the best experience possible. It also shows that you are willing to put money into your employees, which will make them more loyal to you and help them do a better job. Why investing in employee development is a good idea? Well, here's a closer look at how developing your employee can help your business and your employees do well. The first benefit is skill and development for employee retention. Employers have a significant retention challenge, yet great employees may be retained through career development. In fact, training and development have grown so ingrained in organizations that it is frequently utilized as a recruiting tool. Offering professional development opportunities makes employees feel valued and loyal to the organization, resulting in higher employee retention and reduced turnover rates. And secondly, skill and development for leadership talent acquisition. Employees with future leadership qualities might be key to developing an organization for growth and development. New hires can provide leadership talents, or HR experts might choose present employee as managerial prospect. Having established leadership development program, according to the Society for Human Resource Management, the SHRM, guarantees that a company is focused on future business goals by training experienced and qualified employees. Thirdly, skill and development for employee empowerment. Leaders who feel empowered in the workplace are more effective at motivating and winning the trust of their employees. As a result, such employees will feel more competent, productive, and confident in their job. Employees' autonomy is defined by SHRM as the degree to which an employee feels empowered and can make their own decision about their career. And the fourth benefit is skill and development for workplace engagement. Finding ways to increase employee engagement can help to reduce workplace boredom, which can lead to sentiments of unhappiness and poor work habits. if left uncontrolled. Regular training and development activities may assist organizations to build regular re-evaluation of their employee skill and system, preventing workplace passivity, and furthermore, requiring companies to analyze current talent and evaluate growth and development potential internally rather than through recruiting, will affect business culture and can stimulate company analysis and planning. Well, how to help employees improve their skill? Make a roadmap of the area you need to work on and how to get there. It is important to focus on the growth strategies that are needed to get the most out of an organization and help it reach its full potential. It is important to list both short-term and long-term needs, set up training resources, get feedback on how well an initiative is working, and ask employees for ideas on how to improve current practices. Now, here are a few things to think about. Number one, training. Provide user manual, guides, how-to videos, e-learning courses, and other learning tools and resources to help people learn more about their jobs. Employees can learn new skills and get better at the one they already have because job requirements are always changing. Individual training takes a lot of time and costs a lot of money. Instead, put your employees into small groups and hold skill-based workshops. Help them learn new skills by giving them space for hands-on learning and tasks related to their new roles and responsibilities. Now, number two, mentoring and coaching. Help your employee improve their skill by giving them more attention and personal help. Give workers instructions, give them group projects, help them finish tasks better, and keep an eye on their work on a regular basis to see how much they are improving and where they are falling apart. Now, help employees get ready for high-level jobs and let them come up with new ways to do jobs that require skill. Start talking to your employee about their careers to find out what they are interested in and guide their effort in the right directions. Number three, feedback. Let employees make suggestions, share ideas, and review practices so that they can look at how things are done now and improve them. You can send feedback forms weekly or monthly, have Ask Me Anything meeting, or talk to each employee one-on-one to learn more about how they feel. Look for ways to improve, close holes, point out problems, and new ways to grow, and make a way for people to work together in a positive way. Number four, performance review. It is always helpful for employees to know where their work is going and if it is getting the result they want. Set up monthly or quarterly meetings with each employee to talk about their work. Send review reports, give them constructive feedback, and praise and encourage them. Investing in the training and development of your employees has several advantages for your companies. Investment in your employee helps build a workforce that is more productive, lucrative, and appealing than a disengaged one. That's what I have for you today. Book for a free consultation call or sign up for our course in the link below. We do accept new members, but there is something more essential. If you are not ready to go that deep yet, get a free full features trial of Dual HRM, OKR, and KPI software for 30 days, or free ebook, or join our monthly 2-hour workshop to learn more. If you got value from this video, please smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe. I will share more best practices with you every week, and kindly leave a comment below if you need clarification or want to request for a specific topic. I'm Sean Fon, and I will see you in the next video.